Welcome to the second part of our invoicing tutorial. In the next videos, we are going to talk about invoice parameters in the PortaBilling system. We are going to learn the difference between period total and amount due. We will look at each billing period one by one. We will understand the meaning of each invoice status. We will also find out what unallocated payments are and what their purpose is. We are going to acquire a number of very useful practical skills. We are going to learn how to perform basic operations with invoices, including basic troubleshooting. We are going to see how the customer's billing period can be changed. How can we set collection threshold for invoices or hold invoices for review? How to review invoices and approve invoices. We are also going to configure automatic credit card charge upon an invoice generation and learn to locate extra payments made by the customers.